Hello guys, in this video let's discuss about auto inflate feature in Azure Event Hub. So before that we should be aware about TU concept. So TU, it means throughput unit, it means performance of Event Hub. So more number of TUs, that means more number of events that Event Hub can handle. And we have already discussed TU in detail in our earlier videos. So for example, if I open this Azure Event Hub playlist, and here you can see video number 10 and 11. So we have discussed what is TU and how we can decide number of TUs we need as per our requirement. Now this auto inflate feature, it handles the increasing number of events dynamically. So it will automatically scale up by increasing number of TUs. We will generally start with small or safe number of TUs, and as the load increases on Event Hub, that means as Event Hub needs to handle increasing number of events, then this feature, it will provide additional TUs as per the need. Now guys, let's discuss how we can configure or how we can enable this auto inflate feature. So we are in Azure portal and we are creating this Event Hub namespace, and you can see I have selected pricing tier as standard. And here we have this option, that is enable auto inflate, and if I check this tick box, you can see we have an option where we can provide maximum number of throughput units. So that means if, for example, if I select this as 20, it means initially Azure Event Hub will provide one throughput unit to us, that is this one, and whenever load on Event Hub increases, it will provide up to 20 throughput units. Now can we enable this auto inflate feature for already created Event Hub namespace? So yes, and let's see how. So for example, we can open this Event Hub namespace. Let's go to scale under scale settings, and here we can enable it and we can select maximum number of throughput units we need.